Well, today we're out today in the sunlight and the bright morning here. I'm going to try to get myself a few trout to put in the smoker. Got with me today the TN Provo over here, and currently have an olive woolly bugger tied on. I'm going to get you guys spun around, put in the holder, and then we're going to go ahead and get on in there and see if we can't get something. So the TN Provo here is a 16-foot rod, and I have about 16 foot and a half of line. And I'm going to start by making little kind of drifting strips through this section right here, seeing if we can't locate something. I have to bring it all the way back over here by the concrete. Sometimes these fish hang out in strange areas. We'll see if we can locate one here. Hopefully we can. I'd like to locate at least 3. Chromide woolly bugger, fire hole number 10, no indicator. There we go. Nice. Let's get the net. Come here, come on. In the net. That's a good size eater right there. Beautiful fish. Got a little jacked up mouth. Flies already out. Go ahead and get the stringer out now. Whew. What a day. What a day. That's a beautiful rainbow though. Really beautiful fish. Let's see if we can get a few more now. There's one. Oh, that's a good one. Just staying down. Just staying down. Oh yeah. In the net. Another nice one. Great. All right, I just got to get the stringer undone here. I'm gonna get this one on the stringer with it. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. I don't think so. I really don't think so. There's another one. Nice. Fighting this one, holding onto the stringer of the other ones. Get it over here. Get the net disconnected. Come on. You can do it. Done. That makes 3. Not near as big as the other ones, but still a decent sized fish. Will do well. Will do well. She will. Woo. Look at that. I just need one more. One more and we're good. One more and we're good. That one's actually got some jacked up gills in its mouth, and it's not my fault. It's like all the gills in that one front. They're strange looking. One more beautiful rainbow trout.